Good morning. We have with us Dr. Priyanka Chabra, Associate Professor, UMMC, Safdarjung Hospital. And Doctor, we welcome you to the Natco Pharma Specialty Studio this morning. We look forward to listening to you on advice the young generation of doctors in the space of critical care associated with antibacterial resistance. What, as per you, have been the major changes you've seen in critical care management?
I would like to say that the incidence of multi-drug resistance genes has increased a lot as compared to 5 years back. The practice was, and nowadays we have to use more and more innovative antibiotics. The use of fourth-generation cephalosporins have increased a lot, and this is the biggest change I have seen in the recent time. The incidence is quite high, up to 50 to 70%, and quite often we are supposed to give polymyxins or colistins, the higher generation antibiotics for the proper management.
Oh, you being in the practice now, what would you be your message to the young ICU doctors in enhancing patient care?
I would like to say that for antimicrobials, the young generation should practice antibiotic stewardship more often, and they should follow the general principles of antibiotic stewardship, starting with the lowest grade antibiotic and then upgrading to the third or fourth generation cephalosporins and carbapenems. That is very essential. And also, the evidence-based practice should be followed as much as possible in the clinical practice.
Thank you so much for that advice. And what is the prevalence of carbapenemus in your practice? What are the treatment options that you would?
Quite high, up to 50 to 60%, I would say. Most of the bugs are, especially the hospital acquired infections, the multi drug resistance is quite common in my ICU. And we have to use colistin and polymyxin often to treat the carbapenemase resistance. Also, we have been using fosfomycin and the fourth generation cephalosporin ceftazidime avibactam combination quite oftenly in my ICU. And
Doctor, we thank you so much for your time this morning in the studio and we wish you all the best.